Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about knee strengthening exercises. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Knee joints are the most common area of injury in the body. The majority of knee injuries are not surprising. Because, for example, when you simply climb stairs, the pressure across your knee joints is 4 times your body weight, and you don't even notice that. Exercise is one of the ways to strengthen the knee to prevent further injuries. Even if you have an injury, proper knee strengthening exercises will support the muscles around the knee joints and help make your knee stronger. These exercises protect your joints from drying out, provide strength and support, facilitate joint activities, reduce pain and prevent knee injury. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Heel raises. Grab a chair or anything hip level so you can balance on it and stand behind it. Stand behind the chair and utilize the back of it to support yourself. Lift and curl one of your legs behind you, so your heel is going towards your bum. When you lift your leg, you should bend it at a 90-degree angle and then slowly lift the heel of the other leg until you stand on just one toe. Do this exercise extremely slowly, and maintain the pose for 5 seconds. Then lower your heel to the floor, and make the same move for the other side. Do this exercise at 10 reps each day. This movement helps your knees and ankles become stronger, and those few muscles around the knee will give your knee more support. As a result, your pain will be decreased. Bridge. One of the most effective exercises which involve different groups of muscles simultaneously is the bridge. You should start off laying down on the floor, bend your knees, bring both knees up and put your feet flat on the floor. Put your arms by your sides, lift your hip as high as possible, and now, press the hip up and down. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Take your time while you are doing it. It will be more intense as you do it with control and slow. Do not arch your back while you are doing this exercise. Just bring your hip up and come back down. Foot and ankle stretch with a strap. Place a strap, Pilates band around the bottom of your left foot. Pull your toes, foot, and ankle upward toward your shin until you feel a stretch in your sole and calf. It is better to perform this stretch barefoot, but it can be performed with shoes. Perform 1 to 2 minutes on each leg, 2 or 3 times a day. Tiptoeing. This exercise is super easy to do. You can even do this movement while you are picking up around the house or when you are getting ready for work, school, etc. This exercise will strengthen your calves and give a little workout to your toes and the balls of your feet. You should do this exercise for about 15 minutes per day when you are tired of standing for a long time, or you might be walking for hours. You can try it right now while you are watching this video. Get on your toes and start walking. Do this for a minute. This exercise strengthens your calves and improves your balance by reducing the area in contact with the ground, which makes keeping your balance quite challenging. Besides, it strengthens your gluteal muscles, core muscles, and thighs. This exercise is excellent for relieving knee pain because it increases the flexibility of your ankles and stretches the muscles around the shins, which are challenging to target while exercising. This exercise is also beneficial for correcting posture. Clamshell. Clamshell is a great exercise that works on several body parts, such as every part of the knee muscles. All these stabilizer muscles help your body walk, stand, sit, and function properly. This muscle is on the hip. It will make a big difference down in the knee when it is strong. To do this exercise, you should lay on your side, make sure the hips are perpendicular to the ground, bend your knees 90 degrees, and then bring one of your knees up, just like opening up a clamshell. This exercise will work on your inner thighs too. Seated long arc quad. Seated long arc quad and glide exercises, or you might have heard them as nerve stretching, aim to relieve nerve pain and make the nerve more flexible. This exercise will also reduce your knee and gluteal pain. For this exercise, follow these steps. Sit upright on a chair and lift one of your legs to straighten the knee while keeping the other foot flat on the floor. Then you should slowly bend the ankle so that the toes are pointing upward. Continue to twist the ankle back and forth, pointing the toes upward and outward. Pump the ankle up and down 15 to 20 times and repeat the exercise with the other leg. These exercises should be done under the supervision of a doctor. The purpose of these exercises is to strengthen the muscles surrounding the knee, increasing flexibility and enhancing the range of motion of the knee. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.